Elon Musk SpaceX is in the news once again. This time around, one of its abandoned rockets is on a collision course with the moon. Upon impact, this occasion will mark the first known case of a man-made object unintentionally hitting the Earth's natural satellite. After completing its mission and becoming derelict, the rocket was too far to have enough fuel to return to Earth. But at the same time, it did not possess enough energy to escape the gravity of the Earth-Moon system. Therefore, it has since spent nearly 7 years just hurtling through space. Falcon 9's upper stage is likely to hit the far side of the moon near the lunar equator. It will be nearly impossible to determine the exact location of the crash. As per calculations, the rocket will crash land on the moon on 4th of March 2022. Experts agree that the crashing of this 4-ton rocket on the lunar surface is unlikely to be a big deal. However, the impact will eject some subsurface material, effectively providing some valuable data for scientists to study in future.